what does it mean to you to be free in Christ?
What does it mean to me to be free in Christ? I guess that would mean to me, that would say to the question would present to me the idea that I'd been shackled.
Because you don't have to conform to the world. There's so many things that are important to society that really aren't that important, and it would be easy to get tangled up in them.
Obviously, addiction is one.
You know, having a big income and having an amazing career.
Obviously, the physical addiction to drugs is one that's very prevalent in our community.
I feel like I'm free from that.
In Christ, I am free to love my wife.
God said, I have a plan for you. And that was freeing, because it's stressful thinking, like, well, what am I supposed to do? You know, I gotta go to college, I gotta pick a career, I gotta figure out, where I'm gonna live, am I gonna be a city person, am I gonna be, stay in the country? That's stressful, but it's not stressful when you're just being obedient to Christ.
That's a tough question. You're getting me on that. Christ.
Or in Christ I am free from?
Okay. In Christ I am free from eternal torment, shame, myself.
For me the Savior stands, shows his wounds and spreads his hands. God is love, I know, I feel. Jesus weeps and loves me still. Therefore me the Savior stands, shows his wounds and spreads his hands. God is love, I know, I feel. Let us be forever healed.